Hi friends, good evening. This is your Chef Prakash. Hope you are doing good. And from last 2 weeks, because of some Dasara festivals, we are a little bit busy, so I cannot be able to make video from last few days. I am extremely sorry, and I'm eagerly prepare something for my subscribers, which is very useful for you. Their daily health related things. So today I decide to talk about the what are the health benefits of watermelon and also the watermelon seeds. So the watermelon, it's always not available in the season time. It is available everywhere in India, and it is very cheapest rate also. So everyone can able to eat the watermelon, and it is one kind of watery fruit also. It is very good for children and adults and aged persons also. There is no problem on it. And the main source of the watermelon is it's reduce your body heat at the time of summer season. So everybody can take watermelon at the time of summer. It is very common, and it is very famous also in South India. Watermelon juices, watermelon milkshake, like that. Now I can explain what are the benefits of watermelon. The watermelon is basically a watery substance. It's a watery fruit. It have vitamins, minerals, and calcium and zinc. So it is helpful for chicken pox, and it is helps to cure the jaundice. If you have a jaundice, this is the best medicine which you have to take daily in your diet plan. If you take regularly, daily 1 or 2 glasses of watermelon juices, it is very helpful for your speedy recovery for jaundice. And if you have any urinal infection, or if you have any stomach pains, like that also, you can take a glass of watermelon juice regularly. It will help to reduce your body temperature, and it is good for your skin also. Watermelon have a vitamins, so it will help to bright your skin. It should be your skin looks shiny, and watermelon is one of the best medicine for the diabetics and also for the blood pressure patients. If you take regularly watermelon in your regular daily food, in your daily diet, automatically your blood pressure will be under control. And now I can explain about the what are the benefits of watermelon seed. The watermelon seed, you have to make it dry in a sunlight, and you have to make it as a powder, and you have to mix with the warm water or with a warm milk before you sleep. You will get a nice sleep, and especially for the men, those who have fertility problems, something like that. So it will helps to improve your sperm count also in your body. So if you regularly take this one, it will helps to improve your stamina also. So just you take the watermelon seed, make it dry in sunlight. After that, you put it in the mixer, make it as a powder. After that, daily you mix with a glass of warm water, and or you can mix with warm milk before you sleep. It will help for your body. Thank you so much. Please try to subscribe my channel, and please support me, and please share this video to your family, friends. If you have any suggestion regarding this video or any past videos, please mention clearly in the comment. When I see your messages in the comment, sure I will reply for your comment, and I will try to explain also through mail or WhatsApp, whatever it is. So keep supporting me. Thank you so much. Have a good day.